everyone. Today we will see our question number 6 of our exercise 7.1. So let's begin our class. Question number 6 is R. Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. R has brought two sandwiches. One is made up of vegetable and second one is of zeam. The other two boys forgot to bring their lunch. R agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. So first question is given that how can R divide his two sandwiches so that each person has an equal share. Now you can see that how many persons are there? 3 persons and 2 sandwiches. Now we have to see that how can Arya will divide his 2 sandwiches in 3 persons. So we can see that Arya has divided. How many persons are there total? 3. 3 person and 2 sandwich. So R has divided the sandwich into 3 equal parts. So each person will get 1 part. It means from all the 2 sandwiches, he will divide all 2 sandwiches into 3 parts so that all 3 persons will get 3 equal part. Then second one. What part of a sandwich which each boy will receive? Each boy will receive 1/3 part. You can see that. How many sandwiches are there? Like 2 sandwiches, 1 and second. Out of this, RM will divide into 3 parts. So how many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3. So we will write in denominator, and each boy will receive, or one boy will receive only one part of one sandwich. So it will be 1/3. So required fraction will be 1/3, or each boy will receive 1/3 of from each sandwich. Then question number 7. Mrs. Aarti has 20 pencils. She gives 1/4 of them to Bharti. How many does Bharti get and Aarti still have? So first of all, you can see that number of pencils with Aarti is given how much? 20. She gives 1/4 of them. And we know that 1/4 means 1/4. Out of 20, 1/4 she has given to Bharti. So 1/4 of 20 she has given to Bharti. And what is the meaning of here? Multiplication. So 1/4 multiply 20. So 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. It means out of 20 pencils, she has given 5 pencils to Bharti here. So number of pencils with Bharti is equal to 5. If she has given 5 pencils from 20, then how many pencils are left with her? So pencils left with Aarti will be total 20 minus the number of pencils she has given to Bharti. So 20 minus 5, which is equal to 15. So you can see that first of all she has 20 pencils. Out of 20, 1/4 she has given to Bharti. It means only 5 pencils she has given from 20. So the pencils left with Aarti will be 20 minus 5, which is equal to 15. Now question number 8. What fraction of these circles have x in them? Here some figures are given, and you have to see that what fraction of this circle which are having x in the figure. So we know that what is the meaning of fraction? Fraction means the circle. Here we have to find the number of circle having x with the total circle. So first of all, fraction will find like this: circle having x upon total circle. So in question number in figure 1, see that how many circle have x here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here 5. And how many total circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So fraction will be 5 upon 8. Same in second one. The circle having x are 1, 2, 3. In 3 circle there are having x, and total circles are 8. So fraction will be 3 upon 8. Like this you have to find in question number 3 also, that the fraction which are having circle having x with total circle. And this one is your homework. Now question number 9. Write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime number? So natural number you have to write from 102 to 113, like 102, 103, 104, 105, 106 till 113. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total numbers from 102 to 113 are 12. Now out of this you have to find the prime number, and we know that prime number means which are having only two factors, 1 and itself. So number of prime numbers from 102 to 113 are only 4, which are 103, 107, 109 and 113. Now we have to find the fraction. So required fraction will be how much? Required fraction will be prime number upon total number. So how many prime numbers are there? 4, and total numbers are 12. So 4 upon 12 will be the required fraction for the natural numbers, the fraction of the from which out of 12 only 4 are the prime numbers. So fraction will be 4 upon 12, or we can write it as 1 upon 3 also. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Now question number 10. What fraction of a numbers between 1 to 100 are prime number? Now we have to see, we have to find the fraction for the prime numbers from the all 1 to 100 given number. So we know that prime numbers between 1 to 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7, like this. It is given till 97. So we know that total prime numbers are 25 between 1 to 100. And how many numbers are given total? 100. And we know that in fraction, how we are writing? Here we have to find the fraction for prime numbers. So in numerator, you will write the total prime numbers, and required fraction in denominator will write the total numbers. And how many numbers are there total? 100. So 25 by 100, or we can write it as 1 by 4, as this will be the fraction for the numbers between 1 to 100 which are prime numbers. So this one now we have completed our exercise 7.1. Now we'll see some new topic, how to represent the fractions on number line, then what are the different types of fractions. So let us see how to represent fractions on number line. So mark, here we will see through one example. Mark 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 and 1 by 8 on the different number line. So first of all, we will draw a number line. We will mark 1 by 2, and we know that 1 by 2 is less than 1 and it is greater than 0. 1 by 2 means half. So it is greater than 0 but it is less than 1. So we have to divide the gap between two equal parts and then mark the middle point as 1 by 2. As the denominator is whole, denominator means 2 is given and 2 is a whole number, and the numerator is the part. Numerator means it is given as 1 by 2. It means it is in form of fraction, but 2 is a whole number. So according to the denominator number only we have to divide the number line. So we have to divide the gap between 0 and 1 in the number of parts as the denominator is given. You can see that first of all we have to see in which between which number does the given number line. So 1 by 2 is less than 1 and greater than 0. It means 1 by 2 will be between 0 and 1 only. Only we have to see that how much where 1 by 2 will come here. So you can see in 1 by 2, what is the denominator given? 2. It means between 0 to 1, in 1 by 2, it means between 0 to 1. You have to divide into how many equal parts? 2 parts. This is the first part and it is second part. According to the denominator number given, you have to divide the between 0 and 1. Same for example 1 by 3. 1 upon 3. Here denominator is 3. It is also it will come between 0 and 1. So you have to divide 0 and 1 into 3 equal parts. 1, 2 and 3. So first part, second part, 3 part. In next example it is given 4. It means you have to divide into 4 equal parts. So like this you have to mark it like 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. So according to the denominator number you have to divide the given number line. So let us see by example only. See here. You have 1 by 8, 2 by 8. Your denominator is given how much? 8. It means between 0 and 1 you have to divide into how many parts? 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see that here we have divided into 8 equal parts and all parts should be equal only. Fraction means where we are dividing any object into equal parts only. Then in next example, here you can see it is given 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6. It means here denominator is given 6, so we have to divide into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have divided into 6 equal parts. Like this you can see that this example also. Like here 1 by 2. Here 2 is given, it means you have to divide 0 and 1 into 2 equal parts. So this is the first part, it is second part. Like this you have to solve in our exercise also. Now proper fraction. This is the type of fraction. So let us see what do you mean by proper fraction. If numerator is less than its denominator, then it is called proper fraction. If we represent a proper fraction on the number line, then it will always lie between 0 and 1. You can see that proper fraction means where numerator is always less than denominator. It means it will always comes between 0 and 1 only. It is not greater than 1. For example, 2 by 5, 5 by 9, 11 by 25. You can see that here 5 is greater than 2 or 5 is less than 9, 11 is less than 25. It means they are called proper fraction. Or you can see that 2 by 5. What is the meaning of 2 by 5? It means you have to divide 2 by 5. So here 2 is given. It means we cannot divide it. So we'll take here 0. So we'll put here decimal point. 5 4s are 20 and 0.4. It means 0.4 comes between 0 and 1 only. So proper fraction always lies between 0 and 1. It is not greater than 1 here. Then improper fraction and mixed fraction. So let us see improper fraction. Proper fraction means where numerator is less than, but improper fraction means its opposite, where numerator is equal to or greater than its denominator. For example, 5 by 3 given here. So 5 is greater than 3, or in 9 by 5, 9 is greater than 5. It means here numerator is greater than denominator. So this type of fractions are known as improper fraction. And the next one, mixed. Here you can see one example that improper fraction means this is a complete part, means 1. And here how many parts they are divided? 4 parts. But here shaded part is only 1. So here you can see that it is equal to 5 by 4. 1 plus 5. Where 5 by 4 means here 5 is greater than its denominator. It means it's a type of improper fraction. So the above fraction is made by adding one whole part and 1 by 4th part. Here you can see how it is made. 5 by 4, it is completely 1 plus, and it is 1 by 4. You have to represent this fraction by shading part. It means out of 4, how many are shaded here? Only 1, and it is complete part. So 1 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 5 by 4. So above fraction is made by adding one whole part. Whole part means a complete part, and 1 by 4th part means 1 by 4. So it is equal to 5 by 4. So the fraction made by this combination of whole and a part is called mixed fraction. So by this you can say that what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means which is a combination of whole number and also its part. So 1 by 4, we can write it as 5 by 4. So it is made up of, this improper fraction is made up of one whole part and its fraction part. So this type of fractions are known as mixed fraction. Now let us see how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and from improper to mixed fraction. So convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. A mixed fraction is in the form of quotient, remainder upon divisor. So you have seen that mixed fraction is given in the form of one whole part and second part is fractional part. So it is given in the form of quotient, remainder and divisor. So we can convert in the form of an improper fraction by. Now how can you convert this into improper fraction? So like this you have to convert it. You have to multiply quotient and divisor both. After multiplying you have to add into remainder, and a denominator will be same means divisor, or you can say it as whole upon numerator upon denominator. So first of all, you have to multiply whole into denominator. After multiplying, you have to add with numerator, and denominator will be same only. And it means you have to write as it is. Let us see by one example. Convert 2 3 by 4 into improper fraction. You can see that 2 3 by 4, it is an mixed fraction. Now how to change into improper fraction? So as we have seen, first of all you have to multiply this 2 into 4. So 4 2s are 8. After multiplying, you have to add plus 3, or you can say that it is a whole part, means complete part. 3 is numerator, 4 is denominator. So first you have to multiply whole into denominator. So 4 2s are 8. After that you have to add numerator plus 3, and 4 will be as it is. So 4 2s are 8 plus 3 upon 4. So 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. So you can see here that 2 3 by 4, if we change into improper fraction, we can write it as 11 upon 4. So this is the process by which we can change any mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let us see one more example. Here you can see 2 by 3. So first of all you have to multiply this 2. 1 multiply 3 plus 2 upon 3, as it is that numerator. So 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 2 upon 3, or you can write 3 plus 2 means 5 upon 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. So like this we have changed this this mixed fraction into improper fraction. And improper fraction means where numerator is always greater than denominator. Now after that we have to see that how can you change from improper fraction to mixed fraction. Let us see one example. Here we have taken like this 19 by 5. As you can see that here numerator is greater than denominator. Here you can see that 19 is greater than 5. So it is an improper fraction. Now you have to change into mixed fraction, which contains an whole part and its fractional part also. So you can see that 19 by 5. What is the meaning of 19 by 5? It means you have to divide 19 by 5. So first of all we'll divide here 19 by 5. Divide 19 by 5 here. So 5 3s are 15. And remainder is 4. And we have already seen then how to change into improper fraction. Here quotient remainder upon divisor. So here 3 is quotient, 4 is remainder, and 5 is here divisor. So write according to this. Write quotient here. In place of numerator you have to write remainder, and remainder is 4 and divisor is 5. Or you can say that here whole part will come 3, here numerator 4, and divisor means denominator will be same as it is given in the question. So 3 4 by 5. Again you can check also, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4, 19 by 5. It means 19 by 5 can be written as 3 4 by 5. Only simple way is that you have to divide 19 by 5 like this. So 5 3s are 15, and remainder is 4. So here in middle you have to write quotient, means this is the quotient, it is a remainder, and this one is divisor. So in place of middle part you have to write quotient, or whole part is quotient. Then in place of numerator you have to write remainder, and 5 the divisor you have to write in place of denominator. So like this way you can change any improper fraction into mixed fraction, or you can change from from mixed fraction to improper fraction also. So we'll see the next question, or we'll start the new exercise on the next day of our class.